Hey there, it's Steve. I hope you're doing amazing today. This is a 3-minute guitar lesson for you to learn Perfect by Ed Sheeran. You know, that mega hit? And I've got to do it in under 180 seconds. So let's get right to it. I've got a capo on the first fret. Take your capo, put it on the first fret, and then you play a G major shape. Now that allows us to play a G major, which is pretty easy in these chords, and technically it's in A flat. So G major right there, to E minor, C major, to D major. So that's the first 2 times. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet, you know. I never knew you were waiting for me. So G, E minor, C, D. Then it goes a little bit more catchy with the rhythm right here, like this, because we were kids when we fell in love. Hear that? So go low, high, fell in love, like that. Not knowing what it was, E minor again, and then I will not give up on you, that's C, and then it goes, when he says time, he goes G, D, like that. So that's a little bit different. Then it goes, darling, just G major, kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, E minor. And in your eyes, that's C major. You're holding mine, D, D again. That takes you right to the chorus. And then it goes, baby, E minor, C, dancing in the G, D major with you between my E minor, C, G, D, and then E minor. So he keeps doing that same thing. And when you said it looked like a mess, I whispered D major, E minor. So we've just been doing the same thing over. And then at the very end it goes, but you heard it, that's C major again, darling, G major, you look D major, perfect, G, like that, tonight. That's it, that's it. And then it technically does this little walk down, goes like that. You could do G, D, E minor, D, C, if you want to do that little walk down right there. So it's amazing, great song right there. And I'll play the chorus one more time. E minor, C, G, D, E minor. It does that a bunch of times until it goes, you heard it, darling, G, look, D major, tonight in G. All right, that's a super mega fast lesson for Ed Sheeran's Perfect in under 180 seconds, because no one needs to go longer than that for that song. All right, let me know what you think in the comments. Hit like, subscribe, share, and I'll catch you next time for another 3-minute guitar lesson. See ya.